from IoT signal to automated action in one closed loop. This is really the difference if you're using TAG Mobi over trying to manage this on spreadsheets or some older type of system.
This is kind of the recipe. Step one, it's really getting the data. It's ingesting the data. And then this is where Mobi comes into play. We can create some rules, and traditionally creating thresholds and monitoring rules used to be quite challenging. What we propose is just having some natural language chat-based rule creation. On this asset, every time the temperature goes above 100 degrees, create a maintenance request. And then TAG will build all of the rules for you. To me, this is really the misconception, is that IoT is complicated, it requires tons and tons of investment. That's not true. First step here, really identifying high downtime assets, reviewing what systems do we have in place. About 40% of the time, we already have data that we can leverage to trigger automated workflows. Then we come into operationalizing this, so creating threshold, creating escalation rules, capturing labor and inventory costs, and then measuring. So we can track the downtime reduction over time, monitor asset costs. This yields to better decisions. Do we replace? Do we keep maintaining? Do we improve? These are the questions that asset managers and financial managers are accountable for.